Alright, so that's a pork belly part, and we call it samgyeopsal, and that's my favorite barbecue. They have a little bit of fat, but it's really tasty and chewy. And that's enoki mushroom. You can put any mushroom on the fire, but enoki mushroom is my favorite, so I just put in the enoki one. And there's a tofu, very soft, very nice. Now onion. Onion is always good. And kimchi. Yes, I love kimchi. Oh, look at the colors. It's like red, white, red. Looks so nice. There's a bean sprout. Always good, always good. Yeah, I put the rice cake too. Usually people doesn't put the rice cake that much, but I love rice cake. So, and for the mushroom and the tofu, you gotta cook it well so you don't get the food poisoning. And garlic, my favorite too. Garlic is always nice. Oh, my mushroom is hanging there. Oh, that's me. I'm cooking. I used to be a really good cook, but no, I didn't cook for a while, so. Yes. It's almost done. Not almost, but it's halfway done. Oh, look at the mushroom and the pork and kimchi. So after 5 minutes, you gotta check it. So if it's kind of brownish, that means it's cooked. So you gotta flip over, and you gotta cook the other side too. Yes, look at the color. You gotta cut it small pieces so you can eat it at once. Kimchi too. Cut it as a small pieces so you can eat it at once. Onions. Oh, I dropped one. Oh, my onion. And tofu. And mushrooms. Now it's time to eat. So first you put the lettuce and the meat and a bean sprout and mushrooms and garlic with the dipping sauce and kimchi. Oh my god, it looks so good. I miss it already. Now onion. More sauce. Okay, now time to eat. Oh my god, looks so good. We call it sam, so you eat with lettuce. So after that, you gotta wash your hands before and after. Okay, now fried rice time. So after the pork, usually we have fried rice, and it's a rice, kimchi, and seaweed. It's like perfect combination. So, and sometimes people put the bean sprout too, but I just put the rice, seaweed, and kimchi. Oh, look at that. It takes about like 5 minutes since it was hot already. Alright, so that's for the food for today. So thank you for watching me, guys.